Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to see vacancy details from Hetero. This is a walk-in drive for their formulation units at Hyderabad, Jadcherla and Vamagal. And my dear friends, the area of work is compression, coating, granulation, bottle blister packing, regulatory affairs, CMC and investigation equipment qualification and risk assessment in critical quality assurance. So if you are a experienced candidates and having the following area of expertise with the qualification B Pharma, BSc, Diploma, ITI, M Pharma, MSc, then you are eligible. Departments are production, packing, regulatory affairs, and CQA. So the interview date is 15 September 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. The venue is Hotel Alia Royale Banquet Hall Pillar near Miapur, Hyderabad. Pillar number is also mentioned here. You can have a look at that. Pillar number 600, 135, second floor, Srinagar. And guys, scan the QR code for this registration. So there is a registration for this walk-in drive. You need to scan the QR code and register yourself in order to attend this walk-in interview. So subscribe to Pharma Job Alert for getting regular job updates. You need to carry the academic documents, pay slips, appointment letters, and email ID is also provided here. You can contact for further info. Thank you.